This 2022 Nexus Wraith 33W is where heavy-duty diesel performance meets true residential comfort. Built on the International DuraStar commercial chassis and powered by a Cummins 300-horsepower turbo diesel engine, paired with an Allison 2500 six-speed transmission, this Super C is designed for strength, reliability, and confident driving no matter where the road takes you. As you step inside, you're welcomed by comfortable theater seating, perfect for relaxing after a long day of travel. The booth dinette easily converts into additional sleeping space, and above the cab, you have a full-size bunk, making this coach ideal for family or guests. The kitchen is designed for real use on the road, with plenty of counter space, an oven for full meal prep, and a water filtration system throughout. Everything is laid out to make extended travel feel easy and comfortable. The bathroom includes a glass shower door and quality finishes that carry the same durability and style found throughout the coach. In the back, the master bedroom features a spacious king bed, giving you a true residential feel wherever you are. The cab gives you that commanding truck-style driving position, offering great visibility and control. One of the standout upgrades on this Wraith is the Liquid Springs rear suspension system. It dramatically improves ride quality, reduces body roll, and gives you a smoother, more controlled driving experience, especially on long trips or in crosswinds. This coach continues to impress with its seamless fiberglass roof, galvanized steel storage compartments, side-hinged baggage doors, and an exterior entertainment center for enjoying time outdoors. You'll also find features like an outside shower, roof ladder, and built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi router to keep you connected on the road. This is a one-owner, garage-kept coach with service records available, showing just how well it has been cared for. If you're looking for a Super C that combines durability, performance, and comfort, this Nexus Wraith 33W truly stands out. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.